Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vivek Chaurasia and today I am going to teach you coordinate geometry of class 9th. And students, this is your chapter number 3. So you need to understand the meaning of coordinate. Coordinate geometry means to find out the location of any object exactly. In order to find the location of any object exactly, we need to have two values, or we can say we need to have two dimensions. We will understand the meaning of coordinate geometry in this chapter in a proper way and in detail. So, let's start our today's class. Yes, I am going to draw a number line here, and here you can arise a simple question: why I am drawing a number line here? Yes, this is an example of a number line. This is the midpoint 0. Right hand side we have positive integers and on the left hand side we have negative integers. This is a horizontal line. Name it as x dash. This is a horizontal number line. If I will rotate this number line to the 90-degree angle anti-clockwise, then this number line will be like that, where this will be the middle point of the number line, and when we rotate this number line vertically 90-degree angle and anti-clockwise direction, it will move like that, and the positive integers will be here 1, 2 and 3, and the negative integers will be in the lower part of the number line, -1, -2, -3 and so on. Let after rotation your number line is y dash. Now this 0 point also known as your origin. This 0 point is known as your origin. Now what we will do next? We will combine the horizontal number line and vertical number line. Then what will happen? See here. This is your horizontal number line, and here it is your 0. This is your horizontal number line 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly -1, -2, -3 and so on. Now take this number line and put its origin, the point of origin here on 0, means this 0 and this 0 we will coincide them. Coincide means they will overlapping each other. Overlapping means ये 0 और ये 0 दोनों एक ही पॉइंट पर आनी चाहिए, like this. This is your vertical number line. Here you will write positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and here you will write negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. You all knows the basic properties of these number lines. The numbers which we have denote here, they are at equal distance from origin. If the distance between 0 to 1 is 1 unit, then the distance between 1 to 2 will also be 1 unit, and the distance between 2 to 3 is also of 1 unit. Means 0 से 1 का डिस्टेंस अगर 1 यूनिट है तो 1 से 2 का डिस्टेंस भी 1 यूनिट होगा, 2 से 3 का डिस्टेंस भी 1 यूनिट होगा एंड सो ऑन. सिमिलरली हेयर 0 से 1 1 यूनिट होगा, 1 से 2 1 यूनिट, 0 से -1 1 unit, -1 से -2 1 unit. They are at equal distance from each other. Now what we have done, हमने एक हॉरिजॉन्टल नंबर लाइन और एक वर्टिकल नंबर लाइन को 0 पॉइंट के अलोंग क्या करा दिया है, इंटरसेक्ट करा दिया है। एट विच एंगल, 90 डिग्री। द एंगल बिटवीन हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल नंबर लाइन इज 90 degree. Here this is your x dash, so write down x here and x dash here. This is your y dash, so write here y and write here y dash. Now this is known as your coordinate plane, or we can say simply xy plane, because this line, horizontal number line, is your x axis and this vertical line is your y axis. X axis you can see here. So this is known as your coordinate plane or simply xy plane. When we intersect these two number lines at an angle of 90 degree, then the plane is divided into 4 parts. 1 2 3 4. It has been divided into 4 parts, and these 4 parts are known as quadrants. Means this is your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, this is your third quadrant. I am writing in short quad, but you will write completely like this, quadrant. And this is your fourth quadrant. So now we have divided coordinate axis into 4 parts. This is known as quadrants, and it will be your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, this will be your third quadrant, and it is your fourth quadrant. Now we have few properties of these quadrant also. The signs of the first coordinates are positive, plus plus. Why I am writing here plus plus? You will understand it later on, but simply you can arise a question here. Why I have written here plus plus, and how I have written here plus plus? Yes, we will take first the sign of the leftmost नंबर लाइन, एंड ऑफ दिस क्वाड्रेंट, इस क्वाड्रेंट में जो लेफ्ट लाइन है, दिस इज एट योर लेफ्ट हैंड एंड दिस इज एट योर राइट हैंड. तो ये फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट, ये जो साइन आएगा, ये आएगा लेफ्ट हैंड के अकॉर्डिंग. फर्स्ट लेफ्ट हैंड देन राइट हैंड. सो इन दिस क्वाड्रेंट, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, इट इज योर लेफ्ट एंड दिस इज योर राइट, एंड द साइन ऑफ द लेफ्ट कोऑर्डिनेट इज प्लस. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं लेफ्ट कोऑर्डिनेट में प्लस साइन है. So here you will write plus, or right hand side it is also plus, so plus plus. You can write left and right here. Move on to second quadrant. Now you have to stand like this, and this is your left, this is your right. So this will be your left, and the sign of the left coordinate is negative. So first you will write negative and then write it is positive, then you will write plus. So it will be your minus plus. Now move on to like this. This is your left hand and this is your right hand. So this is your left, this is your right. The sign of negative axis is minus, and the sign of right hand side axis is also negative. So this sign of third quadrant will be minus minus. This is your left axis and this is your right axis, minus minus. Now move on to here. This will be your left hand and this will be your right hand. So this will be your plus and then minus. So the sign of the fourth quadrant will be plus minus. What we have done in this process, we get to know all the coordinates that are positive will be placed in first quadrant. The numbers which are of the type minus plus, they will be placed in second quadrant. The numbers which will be of the form minus minus, they will be placed in third quadrant, and the number of the type plus minus, they will be placed in fourth quadrant. Now you need to understand one more thing here. This is your coordinate plane or simply xy plane. In our next video, we will understand how can we find the location of any point on the coordinate plane or xy plane. So repeat the whole process, how we get to know that this is your xy plane. हमें कैसे पता लगा है कि ये xy plane है, हमने इसको कैसे जनरेट किया. Let's have a quick recap. We have drawn a horizontal number line, we have drawn a vertical number line और 0 दोनों में एक पॉइंट है 0, that will be your origin. हमने इस 0 पॉइंट के अलॉन्ग इस हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन और इस वर्टिकल लाइन दोनों को इंटरसेक्ट करा दिया और इस तरह से कराया कि दोनों लाइंस के बीच में कितने डिग्री का एंगल बने, 90 डिग्री का एंगल बने. जब हमने इस तरह से हॉरिजॉन्टल नंबर लाइन और वर्टिकल नंबर लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट करा दिया तो ये जो सिंपल एक प्लेन था वो अब 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गया है, 1 2 3 4, एंड दीज 4 पार्ट्स आर नोन एज क्वाड्रेंट्स. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, it will be your second quadrant, it is your third quadrant, and this is your fourth quadrant. Then we get to know the sign of these quadrant. All such coordinates, yes, you can arise a question, what are coordinates? We will study coordinates in our next video and we will learn how we can plot coordinates in xy plane and how can we read coordinates from or with the help of xy plane in our next videos. So the sign of the first quadrant is plus plus. You can easily understand it by the method of your left hand and right hand. First quadrant, you can also try to understand it like east, west, north, south. जब हम नॉर्थ फेस करते हैं, अपना फेस नॉर्थ, तो हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड ये होता है और राइट हैंड ये, तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग लेफ्ट हैंड विल बी देयर एंड राइट हैंड विल बी देयर लाइक दिस. सो द साइन ऑफ द लेफ्ट मोस्ट कोऑर्डिनेट इज प्लस, सो वी विल राइट हियर प्लस, एंड राइट इज आल्सो प्लस, सो वी विल राइट हियर प्लस. नाउ व्हेन वी फेस वेस्ट टुवर्ड्स वेस्ट, so in this direction our face will be here and this is our left hand and this is our right hand. And you can see left hand, the sign of the left hand is minus, so we will write minus first, and this is our right hand, and according to right hand it will be our plus. So the coordinates of the second quadrant will be minus plus. Now we will face towards south. जब हम साउथ की तरफ फेस करते हैं then I will be like that, and our left hand is this and right hand is this, but we have to move our hands according to the coordinates planes. Then this will be our left hand like this and this will be right hand like this, and in this process we get to know minus minus is the sign of the third quadrant and plus minus is the sign of the fourth quadrant. This is all about coordinate planes. In our next videos we will study coordinates and how to read coordinates from a xy plane and how to plot coordinates in a simple xy plane. That's all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.